manage, we deal with. But in dealing with the abuser, you will learn how to manage yourself. And I told you, one of the actions that contributes to abuse is communication. How will you say communication in your tonation? Say it to them here.
Communication.
What?
Communication.
Okay, so that's why your clit was moving. Okay.
My tongue, you meant?
No, not your tongue.
My tongue.
No, your
my tongue.
Your clit.
I just abused you.
No, it's not abuse.
It's what?
What you just did is not abuse. You shook your clit. Congratulations. So, ladies and gentlemen, so I say let's learn communication. So last week, Rosenfeld, you can remember, I said learn how to choose your words. The things you say. There are people who come to say, me play. Me tinya baller. I don't have a garbage head. I am not a person who behaves like DKB with a big head. You know, DKB got upset with the guy on set on Saturday. I didn't know that DKB can get angry like that. BNS. Do you know what it is? You don't know. Oh, big head with no sense. When he said it's no Aquano, or interpretation Aquano, and Abeku Santana said yes, he should retract and apologize.
But did he mention names?
No, but who the car fits? The only person on set was DKB with a big head. But Abeku Santana's statement is what I like. He said the guy should retract and apologize that DKB has a big head, but there's no sense to me. So the guy only apologized for the no sense. So he said, I apologize for saying that no sense, but for the big head, it is DKB.
But did he mention anybody's name?
No, but the thing fit him.
No, be can ask him now to what? Now,
the boy Trump says, no, me, Obi Trump says, no, she no phone kitting. Will you tell yourself? And you
now what can I say? You want to come as a family?
Let me say, Trump should no phone kitting. See this small breast.
No, make us a family.
Get when Susan and Tony, you won't cover her. Get your Trump says, hey, back the scene. And you may be a me who will TV so and you cry. Get a bit Trump says here. Until they be wash a hill, meaning that. I say, oh, Jesus. Things you see becomes abuse offset. And can come back wash a wig and win. So, abuse. Choose your words correctly. Some of us, the type of words we speak contribute to our attitude for abuse. Communication contribute to abuse. So abusers will abuse us because we gave ourselves up by not managing our communication. Choose your words carefully. Me a plain. My head is not a garbage bank. If you tell me, I will say it. Please. Immaturity is one of the cases that contribute to abuse as well. So what do you say? How do you say it? Hear this from me. Rosalie Afele. The problem is that anytime you learn to communicate with your husband and you begin to take a retrospective effect, because retrospect. And when we're not married, the way you spoke to me, it's not the same way as speaking to me now. Just because you've got into my legs, whatever you are looking for, finally you have gotten it. Now you talk to me anyhow. I don't know who brought me to you. The slightest issue, I want to pack my things and go. You pack your things. There's a woman who is in marriage that every day her things are packed in the corner of the house. And when you take the things she has packed, none of them belongs to her.
It belongs to
the man bought it.
From where?
Are you aware that you're sitting down now? You are married to Mr. Felly as Mrs. Anything you buy in the marriage is part of the alumni. Are you aware?
See, Beche.
It is a body condom.
I Beche.
No, for half. When you say Meremono, oh, I now crew a school educational certificate is part of the alimony. So the level of abuse I'm discussing is that the place we have been hammering, that is the most important part. Learn how to manage your abuse so that the abuser will not use your own abuse to abuse you. And I'm saying, choose your words carefully. Learn how to talk. One of the things that will help you in marriage is to reference the man over you as a husband. Never see your husband as your brother.
Oh, how can you see your husband as your brother?
Oh, you've not seen it.
Oh, how? How can your husband be your brother?
Oh, a lot of people say,
oh, how?
Oh, yeah. If you are a man watching me and your wife can tell another person, it's abuse.
Oh,
yes, that's what we get to. So we get your nyanum, and if you're a man watching me, and you can lie behind your wife at home and you lose erection, you are dying slowly. Very soon you'll be a funeral. And when you become a funeral, it becomes a very difficult thing. A funeral.
A funeral.
A funeral. Now say ofuya wewu.
Okay.
Ofuya wewu. A funeral. Ofuya wewu. What does it? So the level of abuse is a choice of words. There are people that they will not hit you. They will not punch you. But there are type of words that they will speak to you. And you originally believe in those words. I'm saying that manage yourself. Shano koko flat with your wo nyamintia. Now I told him I'm sure because I then cry na dey harm and wale. And it's true that you went to pray. That's why you had a man. So he confirms what he's saying, that it hurts you. You understand? So I'm saying that let's learn our words. Both men and women, there are some men that they will not touch you, but they will tell you something. How do you wake up in the morning and your husband look at you and say, hey, Odaha? I mean, it's so insignificant. You understand? I seem to say, man, who possess Odaha? Man, who pampine? A woman called me and said she has denied her husband sex for 3 years now. Now she wants to walk out of the marriage. Excuse my language this morning. Me say then. O say me kunu hwe me nim ka chem say. Enti ma se na bon no den na me be ya manager. See how painful it is. So the words we speak, they are life and death. So if you don't take care, you would think that I'm not abusing you. But your choice of words in communication.
How many years were they married before he started?
They are married for 13 years.
So what made him say
have 2
like
kids.
that? Is it that he couldn't tell her in a nice way from the...
No, how do we say this in a nice way?
Or pilot.
Adiane bon, and see a bon. Bonde. How, what is the nice way to say it? One fan wallet. Obeshia say bon.
No, worry.
What now? And a bufuaba. And a person can be chair and know who say bibi or when ye. Then now by your father say a bon.
I don't know one kind of time before my.
That is why we are teaching them that managing yourself so your abuser will not get you is to manage your communication. Choose your words carefully because it's likely say it becomes abusive because I'm panasebon. So a confirmation. Oshia Shatawale na abu abu. A confirmation of a big mouth. To say DKB who got upset. Once she got upset, what enko. You see the issues. So I'm saying manage yourself so that whatever is offensive to you will not be used against you. Unufusa no because unufu kete na ubufu o adwum yare. Wotoso no be share hey sister. Dem bia bi say me ho say entu dware a wo say wo horo to eh me dream pow.
And if I'm be.
O say
if I'm be.
Say obi a wo de odwin fa to. Hey. Na kaka so bia na short to amunze clean there be o. Hey, this guy will suffer hopper. How do you wash your back? You put me to video bi. Girl na so twisting and say. Enya grow. Enti mu dia me de bu mamo. Eh, enti dia ya kan say. I don't want to know him, sir.
Madame meaning say.
And your grada kasa no me na kasa.
We friend agrada be from evangelist Portia.
Evangelist okofo agrada oni mi. Abefo ko yejuma. Onya Portia mi when Portia. So the issue is that learn to communicate. Now in your act of communication, be careful that you are managing yourself, Rosalie Felly. The next thing is that in the domestic dwelling, there are most of us who abuse ourselves with words. Yamenu. Na yamenu wa in matcha banjesi wa mi huni. Number one, learn so bang. Papa is sorry. Fufu edi. Everybody say ni etia banchi akola ni ndwane. It's a genuine concern, but it's an abusive statement to the man.
Right. You could have said it.
I get what I'm saying.
In a better way.
Thank you. So manage yourself. You are angry. Watch what you say. People can get angry, and the type of things they say, they tell you, I want to empty myself today. I want to make sure that everything out of me will come. Are you a fool? Olu. If everything in you comes out, what will you work with?
The soul.
No, you are emptying yourself so that you become what? If you are empty, do you know you fall down?
Become konko.
Yeah, if you are conquer, you become wind blown. So keep some. And I mean, Bibi Tiao. Eka kete na papa ni me die. Na papa ni yi no me gwe. Ah, Jebisa. See? You are angry.
Nti ode no kopie dem wa papa ni yi no.
What anybody after that breath and be gin. So you see, after the quarrel, after the misunderstanding, after your vehement emptiness of whatever it is, right now the confirmation have come. And I'm a tea, I mean, we and Yanko was showing me money chairman that. I brought you your sharing you so dear and so you are not confirming that you did an abortion.
Out of anger, you
so be very careful. So before you manage yourself so that nobody will abuse you, manage your communication. Remember that communication is not just talk. It is either verbal or non-verbal. And within the non-verbal, text messages are part of it. My sister, for you to avoid abuse, put a password on your phone.
Right.
Password your phone. If you have to use your tank, your leg, your clit, your nose, your male organ, whatever can block the thing, lock it.
How do you use your male organ to lock it?
Oh, the phone is coming. The recognition of the male organ. It's easy. It's just a software. Just like to become a problem for us because you have to go to the side and pull it out. And grow. I saw a post last time. A woman was sitting on the refrigerator and the husband was texting and she was sitting on the fridge to read the message. Then how? I don't know why most of you who have children now are abusing the children.
How do you abuse?
You give your phone to your child to play game on it. It's abuse. You see, you lock your phone because you don't want information out of the phone. Your husband just got access to the phone. A message came because the child was playing with the phone. And it starts a whole misunderstanding. Your phone is not a game player. Don't give it to your child to play.
Get a game.
The child doesn't need a game.
Okay.
It becomes an abuse. You don't take a bright up. Here can even come and take you on. Because some children will get a mother's phone.
Tell you to pay 200,000.
Yes, the child will get a phone, and all of a sudden, some things that they will see, they are not supposed to see. So what I'm saying is that learn how to communicate.
So true.
Yes,
it's very, very.
So I'm saying that
very true.
Don't try it.
True.
Don't try it.
Yeah.
So because some of us we have things on our phone with some of our children are smart. My son like this. He's so smart. He asks me questions that doesn't really sound correct.
Did he see on your phone?
No, my child. No, none of them can touch my phone. No, that's what that one there is a standard. I mean, even TV remotes I can't touch. How about my phone? I told them when you buy your TV, you put it on. Me, it's my TV. I put it on. It's my TV. I mean, my children they are enjoying, but they are not enduring. No, some things are not. Their mother they can deal with. TV, you get up in the morning and go and touch remote. How old are you? No, the big sister can put it on, and that is by instruction. Soon TV can be here. Changing channels. No, what they put you watch. If you watch before, go and read. Oh my God, Your Excellency, where I was trained was bad. We were trained, so I'm training them. You understand? So let's learn the choice of word. The other part is that don't use your child against your spouse. There are people that in communication they use gestures.
Right.
This morning I feel very moody. My menstrual cramps have come. If you are menstruating, so what?
Can you hold that thought and give your number to those who need assistance?
You are menstruating, so what? Everybody knows that their number. But damn me.
Why not them, you know?
You are menstruating, so the whole house is menstruating. If you're in now, where's mommy? She's inside. Hi, honey. Yes. Yes, Nebon. But we can't yes, you are disturbing my privacy. Privacy for what? So don't allow yourself to be abused by your own self. Okay. 0277 609 644. TMA 0277 609 644. Never allow your abuser to use your own abuse to abuse you. Manage yourself so you can deal with the abuser. Your choice of words, your gestures, your text messages. Don't open your email and leave it. No, obey an email. No. I forgot. If you open the email in the house, log out. Don't open your Facebook. Somebody was chatting with another woman. Lo and behold, Nikunu chatting. Nikunu chatting. And I love you and I miss you. And the guy responded. Lo and behold, but I can't cut you. So this guy had a chat with you. And on to me defend you on time was chatting, but she left the page unattended to. That is where the abuse started. It's so true. Somebody took a picture of herself, and after posting the picture, only the buyer. Nikunu, a phone say, honey,
Take my phone.
the two of us are one. You can use this to the phone that they stole will be found. The man collected the phone. Or in his chief shame, Or to where we are in car back home, send in the office. Oh, remember Jimmy phone. Oh, who are there? I know, yes, screenshot of a dinner on the phone. So, and not send the man. You forgot this on the phone. You forgot this. Hey, look, don't let your abuser use your own things to abuse you.
Right.
So manage yourself, Gabby. 0277 609 644. Hey, I didn't know what Gabby.
Well, don't forget to manage yourself. Coming from Reverend George Luke, I call him Mr. Cyril. Thank you so much for watching the show, and thank you always for telling everybody about us. Don't forget to share the good news. My name is Roslyn Fairley. We wish you nothing but the best. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.
All right, in the bye. Yes, sire, that brother, every and come near Koya. Hey, I thought from hey, Atija. Sorry. All right. So, Rosalie, the issue is straight. It's easy for you to be abused when you allow. But
Talk to me.
you can easily be abused when you allow it. Charlie, Chinya kewa yin ami da do ni ejen. Blew. Kawusule. All right, Rosie Felly. So it's easy for you to be abused slowly. Come on, check if it's okay. Don't cut us. Is it okay? Okay, Rosalind. So the communication part in abuse is very important. Choose your words carefully.
Yes.
So don't get heartache or don't get pissed off because of the environmental degradation.
Where is the phone I'm supposed to be?
It's here. The reason is that people get pissed off due to the situations around
This
them.
is very delayed. Why is this one delayed like that?
It's delaying.
Is yours delayed as well?
I don't know. But once you said delay, air transmission,
very slow.
Air transmission discomfort.
Sure, I
I never.
think I will move it.
Slow pa. You be any day. You be so musa. Way delay.
But I don't think this one delays.
But way delay.
Is this one? I think it's this one.
No, the same thing. You do okra. I feel cry near pon. Maybe I'm crying. I feel cry near pon TV so. And the Ghana for your body. So Rosie Felly,
yes,
it's very simple for us to understand that anytime you want to manage yourself, you know, Utoni bi awodu. Ni gba agbo na. O here to loto number. 02 obi atel ne delayed as well.
I think never.
Rosie Felly no kasa. Transmission discomfort. But if we can't transmission discomfort, in communication. So, Rosie Felly, it's a very simple thing that if you don't know how to talk, your words can be used against you.
Yeah.
There are other people that insult themselves before they start their narration. Mimi nimse me nam no. Ye kanu fwa minibi. Ye kan etwa minibi.
Mitiri kwa minini ebrenya. Nyame anche me tenten.
Thank you.
You say ye the iron to me so answer my tenten.
Thank you. Me ankasa nanka ye onipa ball anka. Yakoto me atoso. But ye nya binti ena mete ha. So once you choose words like this to personally abuse yourself, then others can easily abuse you.
Yeah.
So learn to manage yourself. So what irritates you must be managed.
You know one thing that I really like about the Ashantis? The what time say? I said me help it.
Sir. Sir.
The what time say?
Yes.
And look at how Nana Mama Brown brings up the child.
Yes.
Maxine, beautiful Maxine. It what time so? When you say, "Maybe hopeful, share maybe a premium." We were already panels. Hey, medium girl be pa me say. See no see soon. This guy said me sexy. Hey.
Well,
to me fa. Ending at him.
Where Abeku Santana Masen be no okay. Abeku ti radio so. And a debia sister be friend who are very nice, so nice. Na Abeku mo say get we there. Yanko Srano, loyal listener. And I nwa mo ye dos pa o ye we bi de wa ye be se 4 ntimo ba na ye nwa bia na ma mo pon radio. E na mo koye. Go do we get ye ni no didi echire koye. Koye no. Na Abeku hu Kristo. Ti say san hu Kristo. Hey, that story near very.
Mobo.
Sister, I'm not afraid radio. See, I am. You bet you are more radio. Why?
Mama, the
boy. Now, some cast my baby. Oh, you poor banner. Near castle, the agroti, a different for national comedy one. I said, Gianu was so ugly to be pulled on the ice. To say, Yanko Pombo, no. Or the buffo and the ball.
And so, or Jin Hoodie pa.
Nene and a Jin Hoodie. She has a nice radio voice, but the personality is weird. You want more time, but even with this, you need to enhance something. And you have to make them more time. You ask him Esther who time pono oko we need beauty pageant. Now Esther who nya 37 Vasti. That's the secret. The Esther in the Bible never looked beautiful like Vasti, but her level of beauty was managed so that the king will manage that for the meantime. What I say? So your gestures, your physical appearance, your dressing, and not a baby abe krom ye to bi she. Obi a she to go krom ento so be she bi.
That day.
Jeans number. Obi to me show with TV so Rosalind's dress I like it. Yes. Atade na she no. Wọ́n sẹ́ wọ́n fu dọ́ọ̀sùn wọ́n tó ẹ̀tọ́ no nso ẹ̀wọ̀ hɔ nyame deɛ ɔde ɛbɔ odua ɛnti atadeɛ no nso wọ́n sẹ́ wọ́n gyina mu kama yɛn fa hyɛ gɛɛ no wɔ hɛn gɛti
da wase
atadeɛ wọ́n de hyɛ na wọ́n sẹ́ bɛyɛ sɛ ayerɔ mi because ɛsoro no bɛyɛ kɔɔyɔ aseɛ no na ɛbɛkye no wɔte ɛnti yɛn nyɛ atadeɛ bi a wɔn wɔ TV so ɛna ɛtɔ let's be very careful now our expenditure alone. It's another form of abuse at home. It's true. It's a man who takes care of the house. A woman's money is for her.
Oh yes, it's ours. It's ours.
There are times that you abuse the whole family by buying useless things.
Like what? What is useless?
The last time you bought a dress, and the guys brought a dress, it didn't fit you, but you've paid. It's lying down. 550 Ghana cedis. Another time you saw a shoe online, you bought. They brought a shoe. Actually, it's supposed to be black, but half near brown. Sudi akekpai 400 Ghana edaho. The fact that your money is yours doesn't mean you should abuse the family by using it uselessly.
How did I abuse the family here?
You bought more than 3 items.
For somebody charity. God bless you.
What do you mean by charity? No, what do you mean by charity? Rosalind, what do you mean by charity? Did you plan to buy things for charity?
I say,
so it's because you didn't choose right, or they didn't supply right. So you abuse. Now what? What atadie? Na atadie no why kese apa atadie no ho. Na che se won fa nyansa nto ade toto ho. It's abuse.
Nti I was me down.
Fa nyansa toto ade a woto ho.
Adam fa nyansa nto mesle me kase ye ho.
There be nyansa mombra wo kase ye ho a. Ye be kase ya wo. Ba ye nkasa nkyere wo.
Nti fato ne a woto ho.
Be careful with your purchase. The same way we abuse each other in the same form of communication. Me ne wonam makoko to aduanya brew. What say open pizza? Maybe say I said what season do you want? And wabobo. Me nye pizza. But what you told me is what I gave to the lady who was doing the pizza and they did it and I brought it to you.